Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to English Listen Easy channel.
Hey, I'm Emma, and this is Jack. So happy you are here today.
Yes, we love making these episodes for you.
Today we have a great topic. We are talking about reading in English.
Reading, one of my favorite ways to learn English.
Really? You like reading?
I do now, but I did not always like it.
What do you mean?
When I started learning English, reading felt very hard. Every sentence had new words.
Yes, I know that feeling. You open a book and too many unknown words.
Exactly. And then you stop. You give up.
I gave up so many times at first.
Me too. But then something changed for me.
What changed?
I found the right books, easy books, books for learners.
Oh, yes, easy readers. That was my start too.
Those books changed everything. I want to talk about that today.
Same, and we have so many tips. So let's start.
But first, Emma, how are you today?
I'm good. A little tired. I was reading this morning.
What were you reading?
A short story, in English, before breakfast.
That is a great habit.
I try to read every morning, even just 5 or 10 minutes.
Every morning? Really?
Yes, it wakes up my brain. It's like coffee, but for my English.
Coffee for your English. I love that.
Try it. It really works.
Okay, so reading in English. Why is it good for learning?
Reading helps you see words many times, and when you see a word many times, you learn it.
Yes, you don't just hear it once, you see it again and again.
And you see it in different sentences, so you understand how to use it.
Right, not just what it means, but how it works in a sentence.
Exactly. Reading gives you that.
And reading helps you improve your grammar too, without studying grammar rules.
Oh, yes. You just see correct sentences, and your brain learns.
Your brain starts to feel what is right, what sounds correct.
And what sounds wrong?
That is so powerful. You don't need to memorize rules.
You just read, and your brain does the work.
But Emma, where do you start? What do you read first?
That's a great question, and my answer is start very easy.
Very easy. Like children's books easy?
Yes, don't be embarrassed. Children's books are great.
I started with children's books. Simple sentences, simple words.
Me too, and it felt good. I could understand everything.
That feeling, I understand this, is very important.
Yes, if you don't understand, you feel bad. You want to stop.
But if you understand, you feel good. You want to read more.
So start easy. Find books you can understand without stopping every sentence.
Graded readers are also great. Do you know graded readers?
Yes, tell me more, Jack. Some listeners may not know.
A graded reader is a book made for English learners. The words are simple, the sentences are short.
And they come in levels. Level 1, Level 2, Level 3.
You start at your level, and when it feels easy, you go up.
That is exactly how I learned. I went from level 1 to level 3 over 1 year.
That is real progress.
And I made many mistakes along the way. I misunderstood words. I guessed wrong sometimes.
That is okay. A mistake is part of reading too.
Yes, a mistake helps you learn. You see the word wrong once, then you look it up, then you know it.
And you never forget it after that.
Right. The mistake teaches you better than anything.
Okay, Emma, tell me a story, a reading story, funny or embarrassing.
Oh, I have one. It's a little embarrassing.
Perfect. Go ahead.
So I was reading a book in English, a simple story about a woman and her dog.
Sounds nice.
It was nice, but there was one word I did not know. The word was fetch.
Fetch, like when a dog runs and gets a ball?
Yes, but I did not know that. I thought it meant something very different.
What did you think it meant?
I thought it meant eat, because the dog was always running to get the ball after the woman threw it.
So you thought the dog was eating the ball.
Yes, I read the whole story thinking the dog ate everything. I thought this is a very hungry dog.
Oh no! And when did you find out the real meaning?
At the end, I told my friend about the story, about the dog who ate everything.
And your friend looked at you strange.
Yes, she said, Emma, fetch means get the ball, not eat it.
That is a great mistake.
A very great mistake, but now I know the word fetch forever.
See? The mistake helped you.
It really did, and now I always check words I don't know.
That brings me to my tip. When you read, do you stop for every unknown word?
That's a big question. What do you think?
I think don't stop for every word. Try to keep reading.
Oh, interesting. Say more.
If you stop for every new word, reading becomes very slow and not fun.
True, it feels like work.
First, try to guess the meaning. Look at the sentence around the word.
Context. Yes, the other words help you understand.
Right. You don't always need a dictionary. Your brain can guess.
And sometimes guessing is enough. You get the idea. You move on.
Then, later, maybe after the page or the chapter, you look up the words you could not guess.
That's a good system. Read first, look up after.
Yes, you keep the story moving and you still learn the new words.
I like that, because reading should be enjoyable, not like homework.
Exactly. If it feels like homework, you will stop, and stopping is the mistake.
The mistake is not reading wrong words. The mistake is not reading at all.
Yes, read every day, even a little. 5 minutes is better than nothing.
By the way, if you like these tips, please subscribe. We post new episodes all the time. We'd love to have you back.
Yes, subscribe and come back for more easy English tips.
Okay, Jack, what did you read when you first started? Tell me your story.
Okay, so I wanted to read a real book, not a children's book, a real adult book.
Oh no, I feel like this story is not going to end well.
It did not. I picked up a mystery book, a detective story.
That sounds exciting.
It was exciting, but every sentence had words I did not know.
How many words?
Maybe 5 or 6 new words per page. I stopped on every line.
That sounds very slow and very frustrating.
It was. I felt bad about myself. I thought, why can't I understand this?
But that was not your mistake. That was just the wrong level.
Exactly. The book was too hard. It was not my level.
And that is okay. You just need to find the right level.
Right. After that, I went back to easy books, and reading became fun again.
And now, can you read that mystery book?
Yes, I read it last year, and I understood almost everything.
That is amazing progress.
Reading every day, even easy things, helped me improve so much.
Improve. That is our word of the episode today.
Oh yes, let me introduce it properly.
Wait, what does improve mean exactly?
Improve means to get better. Something becomes better than before.
Ah, I see. So if I practice reading every day, my English can improve.
Yes, your English improves. It gets better and better.
Give me another example.
If you run every day, your body improves. You get stronger. You get faster.
That makes sense. Improve, to get better. I like this word.
It is a very useful word. You can use it for so many things.
My cooking improved last year. I practiced a lot.
Really? What did you cook?
Pasta. I made terrible pasta before. Now my pasta is great.
That is a good example. Your cooking improved because you practiced.
And your English can improve too, if you read every day.
Small steps, every day, and you improve.
I love that. Okay, so reading helps you improve your vocabulary, your grammar, your understanding.
All of that just by reading things you enjoy.
And the key, find the right level. Start easy, move up slowly.
Don't try to read hard books too soon. That is a mistake.
Start where you feel comfortable, where you can understand most of the words.
And then push a little harder each time.
Step by step, your reading will improve.
And with reading, everything else improves too. Your speaking, your writing, your listening.
Reading is like the base. It helps everything.
So if you want to improve your English, start reading today.
Even one page, even 5 minutes, just start.
And our bonus tip, read something you enjoy, a topic you like.
Yes, if you like animals, read about animals. If you like cooking, read about cooking.
When you enjoy the topic, you forget you're learning.
You just read, and the English comes in without you noticing.
That is the best kind of learning.
It really is.
Okay, let's talk about our word one more time. The word is improve.
Improve, to get better, to become better than before.
And our word from last episode was mistake.
A mistake is when you do something wrong, but you tried.
Did you use the word mistake this week? We hope so.
This week, use the word improve. Say it out loud. Write it down.
Write a sentence in the comments. For example, I want to improve my English every day. Or, my reading improved because I practiced.
Write your sentence. You make it yourself. you write it down, it stays in your brain much longer.
That is the best way to learn new words. Use them, don't just read them.
Okay, beautiful people, thank you so much for listening today.
We hope this episode helped you. If it did, please like it, share it, and subscribe.
New episodes are coming all the time. We are always working on new episodes for you.
Come back soon. We will be here with more easy English for you.
Remember, start easy, read every day, and your English will improve.
You are doing great. We're proud of you.
Bye-bye, beautiful people.
See you next time.